Hey guys, thought I'd reach out with another video. I'm actually gonna flip it around for a second here so you can see my lovely face. Hopefully I'm aiming this actually at my face. You guys are getting close to being able to work on your project now. So you learned box and whisker plots today with the two videos. Sorry, I know they're kind of long, but this is definitely the most complicated concept within this unit. And tomorrow you've got some practice problems with box and whisker plots. Reach out if you guys have questions, because like I said, this is definitely the toughest part of this unit. But some of you might be ready to work on your project at this point. So I want to make sure that you understand everything you need to do that project. Projects is not due until next Wednesday, April 15th. So you definitely have time to get this done. Let's take a look at the stuff that you need for your project. So flip back around. This has been posted on Google Classroom. I will again post it on Wednesday, a link, since that would theoretically, according to the schedule, be the first day that you guys start working on it. But again, you're welcome to start working on it now if you're ready. This is the worksheet that I would recommend, if you have the capability, printing out and then just writing out your answers to this, and then just take a picture of it and email it to me or put it on the assignment on Google Classroom, whatever's easier for you, okay? But it would be really hard to try and edit this online. I only made it I only made it like can view anyway, so you would have to do like file and make a copy to edit it online, and it would be really hard to do a dot plot and a box and whisker plot in a Google Doc. It'd be next to impossible, basically. So print it out. Some people have asked me about number one. Write the statistical question that you picked here, and they're like, what's the question supposed to be? Well, the other thing that I posted a while ago, and again, I will post Wednesday as well, is a list of questions that you guys can pick from. I just gave you a bunch to pick from because then I know these ones work. I had seen some people, because I'm friends with your parents, like on Facebook, post like, hey, for math class, they have a question, like, where's your favorite place to go on vacation? Well, that's a great question, but not for this project, because this project, your question has to have a numerical answer, meaning your answer has to be a number, because you cannot find the mean, median, mode, or range of answers that don't have number answers. Like, I can't find the mean of people saying, well, my favorite place to go on vacation is Florida or California or Colorado. Like, there's no way to add those up and divide by how many answers you have, right? So these questions all have numerical answers. So pick one of these, and then you just write that here for number one, all right? Then you're gonna survey 30 people. You just need your name or their name and their answer to your question. Remember, social distancing, okay? So you don't be walking door to door and asking people questions, but you can call, text, Snapchat, FaceTime, Zoom meeting, whatever you need to do. You can ask anyone. It doesn't need to just be like other kids. Most of these questions, here they are, could be asked of anyone, right? There's like one or two that wouldn't make sense for like adults to answer, like how many clubs are you in at GMS? Okay, well, your parents can't answer that. I mean, I guess they could say 0, right? But if you're gonna ask that question, then don't ask a bunch of adults and have a bunch of zeros as your answer. But most of these, anyone of any age could write or could answer. Then you're gonna make your dot plot. Make sure you identify your peaks, clusters, and gaps. You can just write that right on your dot plot. Then you're gonna make your box and whisker plot and make sure you label the least value, the greatest value, the median, the first quartile, and the third quartile. Calculate your interquartile range. I talk about that in the video from today. Describe the shape of the distribution, so skewed left, symmetrical, or skewed right. Again, that was talked about in today's videos. And then you're calculating those 4 stats: mean, median, mode, and range. And of course, you're showing your work. You are allowed to use a calculator on this assignment, okay? For mean, you guys don't have to like write out all 30 numbers that you add together, okay? Just write, I added the numbers, and then show me your answer for adding those numbers together. And then show me what you divided by and your answer. If you need to round, because some of you might need to for the mean and possibly also for the median, round to the 100th place. So that would be 2 numbers past the decimal, okay? Mode, you should not need to round for. Range, you should not need to round for, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck.